If you need to update your shipping address for DoorDash orders, follow these simple steps to ensure your deliveries go to the right location. This guide will help you make the necessary changes quickly. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your order settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu in the top corner of the app. Look for the Account or Settings option and select it to access your account details. Step 3. Select Addresses. In the Account Settings menu, find and tap on Addresses. This section allows you to view and manage your saved addresses for deliveries. Step 4. Edit your shipping address. Locate the address you want to change. Tap on it to edit the details. You can either modify the existing address or add a new one by selecting the appropriate option. Step 5. Save changes. After updating the address, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Done button and tap it to confirm the new shipping address is set. By following these steps, you can easily change your shipping address on DoorDash. Make sure to double check your address before placing future orders to avoid any delivery issues.